We are going to start with a blank sheet of paper and we're going to create our very own original cartoon character. So, okay, where do we start? Well, I'm going to start with a nice big cheesy grin because I definitely want my character to be a happy character. There it is. Now it's a case of building up the rest of the face now, and that is where this stuff comes in, tracing paper. It is absolutely brilliant because what you do is you lay it over the drawing that you've already done and the bits that you're happy with and experiment. So okay, let's start with some eyes then. What about nice big eyes to go with my mouth? Oh no, it looks like the character's just about to eat me, doesn't it? Looks like some sort of wide-mouthed frog. Okay, what about some shifty eyes for our character? Nah, a bit evil, I think. What about, let's see, I know, some cartoonist's favourite, cross eyes. Actually, you can make a good mad rabbit out of that. I don't think we'd do a rabbit there. Too many of those around. How's about really big, wide eyes? Nah, it makes my character look nervous. What about some tiny eyes? Actually, that's not bad, you know, good contrast with the big mouth. The problem with very tiny eyes, though, is that they're not very expressive. So, to compensate for that, let's see what happens when you stick in some big eyebrows. Ah, no, that's quite good. So what have we got so far? Well, we've got tiny eyes there, and a nice big eyebrows up there. Right, I'm going to stick with that. Now, what about our character's head? Well, a lot of famous cartoon characters are actually animals. So let's see what our character looks like as a dog. Scruffy top up there, big floppy ears. Dog's collar. Oh, it's quite good. Let's see what it looks like as a cat. Cheeky whiskers at the side there. Well, that suits him because the big cheesy grin. Let's try something else. What about a snake? Ah, now I like that. The problem with a snake, though, is it's not, you can't get many features in and you can't get his hands in and you can't do many things. So let's try putting in a couple of accessories, maybe a hat on the top. Oh, that's good. See what that would look like on the cat. Nice big hat on the top. It's amazing how when you start putting things in, character comes to life. Do you know, I really like that. I think I'm going to stick with that. We are going to stick with a cat. Next time, we'll give him a body.